Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Pinterest boards. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Pinterest on my iPhone. You can do the exact same steps on Android as well. And what we'll do is we'll tap on our profile icon at the very bottom right here, and you can see several different boards that I have now. You see the miscellaneous board. If I want to delete that board, what I can do is tap and hold on it, and it will bring up a few different options. I'm going to go over to that little pencil icon, and it pops up with Edit, so I'm going to tap on that. And now if I scroll down to the bottom, what I can do is tap Delete this board. Of course, if you don't necessarily want to delete it or need to delete it, you could always toggle on Make this board secret, so then no one else can see the board. But you don't have to go through the steps of fully deleting it. However, if you want to delete the board, just tap Delete Board here, and it says your board, miscellaneous, and all one pins will be gone for good, and I can hit delete forever, and that board will be completely deleted from my Pinterest profile. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.